Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing y'all these gorgeous Senegalese twists that I have in my head right now. Y'all, I'm absolutely in love. As you can see, we're going to jump right into the video, and I'm not going to ramble too much. This is my braiding pattern. Not sure how many braids I have in my head, but I'll pop it up on the screen. And as you can see, I got the hair from Yolana's Hair on Amazon. Love that I was able to get these twists from Amazon. Like, it's so perfect. As you can see, this is what they provided inside of the bag. Now, on their website, it does come in 6 packs as a bundle for $30. However, I ended up using 9 packs. So I got 6 packs and then I got an extra 3 packs. In each pack, there is 30 twists inside of each pack. So as you can see, I use 9 packs. So my hair is thick and full. My natural hair is thick and full. So that's how I like to wear my protective styles, thick and full. So I did use 9 packs. If you have thick hair like me and you want to use 9, just go ahead and add 3 to that. All right, so in the next clip, you're going to see that I pretty much already started my hair. If you would like to see the back, it's going to be towards the end of this video. But here I want to show you the process of actually crocheting the hair inside of my head. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you're facing in the direction that you want the hair to lay. So because I want it to lay flipped over towards this side of my head, I am going to put it in a direction going down. And as you can see, there is a small hole on the twist. However, with the technique that I'm showing you now, you'll be able to put it in without any worries. So you're just going to put the twist on the latch. Make sure the latch hook is closed. When you pull it all the way through, before you actually close it and pull it out, you want to put the end of the hair on the latch hook. That way, when you pull the actual hole of the twist with the ends through, it's going to already make the knot for you, and it's going to be a lot easier so that you don't have to play around with the actual opening of the twist to try to stick the end of it through. I'm hoping that that makes sense. If not, I'm going to keep showing you over and over again. So this is going to get repetitive, but I just want to make sure that you have it. So you're going to stick it through, and then before you pull it all the way through, you're going to attach the end of the twist to the latch hook and pull it through the actual opening of the twist. Hope y'all got it. I really, really hope y'all got it, because I want y'all to get it. Like, you can do this in the comfort of your own home. It only took me about 5 hours. I put on some Netflix and just went to work. I'm telling you. Okay, I'm going to stop rambling. Let y'all watch this. It's going to play over and over again. So I hope y'all get it. Meanwhile, don't mind my edges either. I don't like my edges to be braided down, so we're going to slay them at the end with some gel. Y'all know how we do. So yeah, don't mind those. And as you can see here, we're working on the opposite side of my head where I want the hair to be flipped to the left side. So that's why you're going to see me change the direction of the latch hook. I promise this makes it a lot easier when you go in the direction that you want the hair to fall. transformation in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There she go. Yes. As you can see, this is the finished look. Told y'all thick and full, just how I like it. I love crochet braids or twists in general because you don't have that tightness that you usually have when they're braided to the scalp. I can go ahead and pull them up without having any issues. I did forget to mention that this hair is in a natural black color and it is 24 inches long. So they come all the way down to my butt, girl. Like, they all the way down there. And I am only 5 feet too, but they are 24 inches long. I'm absolutely in love with them. I would call them like a micro twist because they are extremely small. And I think that's what makes them so unique, because usually when I see Senegalese twists, they're a little thicker than what I have here. But as you can see, like, I'm in love with them. I've had so many people that stop me and tell me they love my hair and they can't even tell that it's crochet. I would definitely suggest that you use, if you have a lot of hair, that you use the smaller braiding pattern, because this is going to work great with this hair because it is like a micro texture. It is a micro size hair. So as you can see, I am going to show you the back, and you can, like I said, you can pull these up into a ponytail. You can pretty much do whatever to these. Now, I do have a head full of hair, so it is a little harder to put it up in a ponytail, but it can be done. Love them, y'all. Like, honestly, I think these will last you for a month, maybe a month and a half, if you have a good foundation of braiding pattern. And you just want to make sure you put a little bit of oil, maybe a little oil sheen, a little spray in between time to freshen them up throughout the week, and you'll be good to go. So I'm just going to pop some more slayage in this video. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box below. Y'all know how I do. Stay tuned for another video. I might do an update on this hair. Not sure yet, but I'll let y'all know. But anywho, thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Y'all see Snapchat? This is the best filter on Snapchat, hands down. Y'all gotta know. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Honey, yes. Yes. Just wait for the weekend slayage though. This just light work. This real light. It's coming. Best believe it's coming.